Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi viewers, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Worst Book in the Entire World. Congratulations! You are reading the worst book in the whole entire world. I bet you were wondering why this is the worst book in the whole world. Are you sitting down? Well, I am. Because you're about to find out why this book is the worst. Reason 1, there's only one sentence in every page, except for that page, which is this, and that one. Awkward. See, reason 2, remember that super awesome red balloon on that cover? Yes, it blew away. Reason 3, there are gross words in this book. Booger, stinky, toot, booty. Booty? Booger, booty, stinky, booty. Toot booty. Now I remember. Just don't turn the next page. Seriously, put this book down and walk away. I'm leaving. Booger, toot, stinky, toot, toot, booger, stinky, booger, toot, booger, stinky, booty. I told you not to turn the page. Must we go on? Are you absolutely, positively, most indefinitely sure you want to keep reading this horrible, horrible book? You choose poorly. At least they warned you. Reason 4, I am all alone. I'm the only person, place, or thing in this book. That's called a noun. That's just great. Reason 5, this book is educational. Is this book the worst or what? Oof. Reason 6, you're not alone. Ha ha ha. Reason 7, this book's not funny. Ha. Wait, what's that? No. Bye, Burger Booty. Maybe this isn't the worst book in the whole entire world. Reason 8. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!